Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa Flores. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this va-va-voom hair. This has been like my go-to style to do every single time I wash my hair. I just automatically just add these big waves and they start to drop as the days go by, but I love it. If you want to see how I got the look, just keep on watching. So I washed my hair today and I didn't straighten, like I blow dried it, but I didn't pass the flat iron. Normally when I want to have a sleek straight look, I will pass the flat iron a little bit, but since we're going to be curling it, I feel like there's no need to pass the flat iron. And also I feel like the hair comes out a little fluffier when I don't do the flat iron. We're jumping right into this. I'm going to start sectioning off the hair. We start from the bottom up. Some people start like they just curl their whole hair with the hair down, like they never have to really section it. I don't know how they do that. I'm not one of those people. I need to start from the bottom up. I swear, every time I'm gonna start filming, everyone wants to text me. This is my favorite brush, by the way. It's called the wet brush. They sell it everywhere. And it just detangles your hair so effortlessly. Your hair can be wet, it can be dry, it can be super matted and tangled, and it just detangles the hair really gently and super fast. The curling wand we're going to be using today is by Seru Revolution. I can't remember where I purchased it. It was either Amazon or Ulta, but I'll find out for you guys and it'll be listed down below. I think I'm going to do smaller pieces so it could kind of be like more on the curly side because they're going to drop anyways. Like tomorrow they're going to look really pretty and today they're going to be a little bit more bouncy and curled. So what I like to do is section off the piece of the hair that I want, and then I will bring the wand behind my back and just start wrapping it around the wand. I'm wrapping the hair away from my face, by the way. This curling wand gets extremely hot. I have it on medium. I don't even have it on high. And it'll curl your hair pretty quickly. I'm gonna let it drop. I kind of like do a little squeeze and then look at how curled this hair is. I'm just gonna throw it to the back. Just curl the hair away from the face, and I kind of hold the wand vertically, like not horizontally, so we can get that more of a curled look. I feel like I go through phases with my hair. When I find a style that works for me, I will rock that style like every day. Call me Ariana Grande. Before, I was really into a sleek straight look, and all I wanted to do was wear my hair sleek straight, and every time I would curl it, I'd be like, oh no, we're doing sleek straight again. And now I've been into this like curled wavy look and it's just been working for me. The reason I've been liking this more wavy look is because I feel like I go longer without washing my hair for multiple reasons. One, I feel like when you wear your hair sleek straight and it gets oily at the root, which my hair gets oily at the root very quickly. Like day 2, my hair is already looking greasy and oily. But I feel like when your hair is sleek straight, it's more noticeable and it just looks like really dirty. But when your hair has more of a wave to it and more texture to it, you can play around with it and kind of make it look like it's not that dirty. I don't know, that's just my theory. You want to make sure that every time you start a new section, there are no like knots in it, because it just makes the whole process a lot easier if your hair is already untangled. So we're literally doing the same thing, just now to the other side, putting my wand behind my back, hold it vertically, and start curling the hair around the wand. And there we go. I hold the very end of the hair. I don't really care for the very end to be curled. Sometimes I'll do a little bit of a straighter look on the ends. All right, the bottom part is done. Now I'm just going to start separating the sides. And by the way, another reason I really have been liking curling my hair is because I feel like it gives me different looks. On day 1, my hair will look super fluffy and it's a bit more curled, like the curls are more defined. And then day 2, they start to fall, and of course I brush my hair out so it's more of a wave. And then on day 3, it's almost like a straight wave. I feel like it looks so pretty, and then every day it kind of looks like my hair is a little bit different, but yet I don't have to redo them or anything. I just brush my hair out. And I'm telling you, this wand curls your hair so good that it really holds up. And even when you brush it out, you just start getting these pretty waves. Look at how curled that is. Anything I can do to really minimize the things that I have to do, like beauty-wise, like if I can just wake up and be pretty much done, especially with the hair. I feel like if your hair is done, half the battle is over and you just gotta get dressed and put a little makeup on. All right, this side is almost done. Oh, I wanted to give you guys a little update on my tape and hair extensions. I used to always buy Amazon tape and hair extensions. They were inexpensive and they were pretty great, but this is the first time that I'm trying a different type of hair extensions. I believe these are from Hot Heads, and it was my first time trying these. They're way pricier, so I was definitely curious to see like, okay, is it worth the price? Is there a difference? And I have to tell you guys, there is a huge difference. Like for sure, the quality of these is so much better. I mean, they both wear the same. In my opinion, like they both wear the same. And what I mean by that is like the tapes stay perfectly the same. Like I haven't had any issues with the tapes coming out or anything like that. But you could tell that the quality of this hair, of these tape ends, is much better. Like when I style my hair, it looks really nice for a long time. Like it hasn't started looking dull or anything. And the more you wash the tape and hair extensions from Amazon, those I felt like they start to get a little not so great. Like you could tell like they start to get worn out. And these, I washed it a few times already and they look amazing. No matter how many times I've washed them and styled them, they look amazing. Like they don't look dull. They always look like they're like salon quality. Like if the hair, this part of the hair got done at the salon for me every single time. That's how it looks. So definitely there is a difference. It all depends just if you want to invest. Like these were, I purchased 4 packs, but I only ended up using 3 packs. And I forget what the exact amount was, but it's a few $100s for the 4 packs. As opposed to the Amazon ones, which for 4 packs, I would spend like around $130, $140, somewhere around there. Definitely a big difference in pricing, but also a big difference in quality. And I'm supposed to get a lot more wear out of this hair. The Amazon ones, I was only able to reuse them maybe twice. Like once when I applied them the first time and then maybe one other time. And these, I'm supposed to be able to wear them a few more times than the Amazon ones. I won't know until I actually get the hair redone, which I do want to try to get it redone so I could see like, okay, can I get more wears out of this? So far we have the bottom half done. This is how it's looking. I don't add hairspray, but if I feel like I need it later on, I'll add texturizing spray. All right, we are at the finish line. We're gonna start curling the top of my hair. And because the pieces on the top of my head are shorter, they're not as long as the extensions, I don't leave the wand on for as long because I don't want it to be like super curly, and then like, you know, the curlier your hair is, like the more it shrinks, so I don't leave it on for too long. These 2 pieces, you definitely want to make sure you curl away from the face. I feel like that way it just looks prettier. And the hair is away from the face, like it's not getting in your way or anything like that. This is how the hair looks initially, but we are gonna brush it out. So as you can see, I'm curling out the hair and it still maintains that really pretty wave, but it's kind of like big and fluffy, the hair. We're gonna do the same thing to this side. I have very fine hair, so I always want my hair to be a little thicker and bigger. If you have the same problem, I recommend using a thickening spray. I feel like it still gives you hold, but then it's also adding texture to your hair and making it a little bit more thicker. I have this little guy right here from Bumble & Bumble. It's their dry spun texture spray. I'm going to be adding some of this to my hair. I add some to the roots so it can kind of like get a little fluffier up top, because that's where my hair usually drops. And then I also add some to the body. We're just gonna have the biggest hair ever, apparently. Oh my God, this one smells really good, by the way. It smells like perfume for your hair. It like automatically lifts your hair, makes it fluffier without you having to tease or anything like that. That's why I love texture spray. Oh my God, this one smells so good. Do you see how big my hair is getting? So this is it. This is how your hair is going to look. This is my day one hair, and then tomorrow it's gonna drop and it's gonna be not as big and fluffy. And if I want to make it a little fluffier, I'll add more texture spray and then maybe curl a few more pieces. But for the most part, I just let it be and I keep letting it drop every single day, because like I said, it just gives me different looks. This is another product I've been using that helps me not have to wash my hair as often. This is a dry shampoo, but it's a powder form instead of a spray, and it's also by Bumble & Bumble. My friend Sam Oscar here on YouTube, she recommended it. She's raved about it, and I was like, I have to try it. I ended up purchasing it at Sephora, and I got the little bottle because I was like, let me just try it. Let me see if I like it, and I love it. It's literally a powder. I just sprinkle it on the roots and I massage it in, and it soaks up all the oil, and it even gives you a little bit of volume. Like you see it like magically kind of lift. This product is magic, I swear. But I'm not gonna put it on now because my hair is super clean. I just washed it today. But tomorrow and the next day and the day after that, I'll start adding a little bit of this to the roots and literally just pour the powder, massage it in until it disappears, and then I'll keep like lifting different parts of the hair like that. And that is all. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Make sure you check the description box. I'm gonna list all the products that I use on my hair. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.